Good morning, students. Today we will study about board mass. Now this is the next version after the word DMAS. This is something we have done yesterday. Now B and O. B stands for bracket and O for the order. D division, M multiplication, A addition and S is subtraction. So let's see one question. Now this is our first question where 4 minus 2 bracket and into 3. It means we are having two operations. One is subtraction and one is multiplication. If we follow the DMAS, according to that we should do the multiplication first, right? But now what we are going to do is we are going to solve this bracket first. The reason B stands first. So whatever is the operation inside this bracket, we are going to solve that only. So we are going to write the answer after solving this bracket. 4 minus 2, answer will be 2, and copying the rest thing as it is 3 into 3. So we will get the answer 2 into 3, answer will be 6. Now let's see another question. Now this question is having addition, division, multiplication as well as subtraction. But instead of doing this division, what we will do? We will solve this bracket first. So I'm going to write the answer of the bracket. So the bracket is having a sign of addition. So I'm going to add 16 and 12. So I get an answer 6 plus 2 is 8 and 1 plus 1 is 2. Then rest all things as it is, divided by 4, multiply by 5, minus 2. So now the sequence goes on like this, that we have followed this bracket. Now the next time is of division. So we will divide 28 by 4 and we get the answer 7. Rest all numbers into 5 minus 2 as it is. Next is out of multiplication and subtraction, we will multiply first. So we'll get the answer 7 into 5, answer is 35 minus 2. And the last step is of subtraction and we get the answer 33. Now the next thing is we will discuss about the brackets. Now students, you must have seen this common type of bracket which we usually put it. This is called as round bracket. And now it's another type of bracket which you can see it on the keyboards as well as on the laptops also. It is double bracket or curly bracket. And the last one is a square bracket. So all are visible on the keyboards. You can see that round bracket, double bracket or curly bracket and square bracket. The sequence in which I have written these brackets, we usually solve the questions according to these sequence only. It means first I will solve the round bracket, then the curly bracket and last will be the square bracket. This is a question in which 90 minus, then square bracket 77 minus, then curly bracket 24 plus 17 curly bracket close and square bracket close. So since we don't have a round bracket here, we will start from this curly bracket. It means I'm going to solve this part only in the first step. So we will write 90 as it is and then the starting of our square bracket 77 minus, and now since I'm going to solve it and we will get a number as an answer, so I'm not going to put these curly brackets. So I'll simply add these two numbers 24 and 17. We will get an answer 41 and then I'll close the square bracket. So this is something important. When you are solving this curly bracket, you are not going to put curly brackets here now. Now the next step is to solve the square brackets. So I'll be writing 90 as it is minus, and then solving these means I'm going to subtract and I am not going to put the square brackets now. And the answer after subtraction, I'll get 7 minus 1 is 6 and 7 minus 4 is 3. The last step again of subtraction, and we will get final answer. It will be 10 and 10 minus 6 is 4. It will become 8 and 8 minus 3 is 5. So I think the question is clear, students. Now one more thing. When you are watching this video, it seems to be easy for you that okay, we understood. But till the time you don't practice yourself, you can't able to do that. So my suggestion, please do a practice of such type of questions. You can see it from your book or any other reference book, or you can search it on net also. You can get many questions related to board mass. Do practice and clear all your doubts. Thank you.